Welcome to the world of bit manipulation. This video will introduce you to the fundamental concepts of binary operations and bitwise tricks. Get ready to dive deep into the zeros and ones that power our computers. We will understand how to effectively manipulate individual bits within a number. Let's begin with the basics: binary numbers. The binary number system is a base 2 number system, meaning it only uses two digits, 0 and 1. Each digit in a binary number represents a power of 2. Consider the example here. The binary number 1011. The rightmost digit represents 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. The next digit represents 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. Then 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, and 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. To convert the binary number 1011 to decimal, perform this calculation. 1 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. This equals 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, which equals 11. Therefore, the binary number 1011 is equal to 11 in decimal. Now let's explore bitwise operators. These operators allow us to perform operations at the bit level. The AND operator returns 1 if both corresponding bits are 1. For example, if A equals 5, which is 101 in binary, and B equals 3, which is 011 in binary, then AND B results in 001, which equals 1. The OR operator returns 1 if at least one corresponding bit is 1. Using the same values, A or B results in 111, which equals 7. The XOR or exclusive OR operator returns 1 if exactly one corresponding bit is 1. So, A XOR B results in 110, which equals 6. The NOT operator inverts all the bits. 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. For example, if A equals 5, which is 000000101 in 8-bit binary, then NOT A results in 111111010, which equals -6, using 2's complement representation. Next, we have shift operators, which shift the bits of a number to the left or right. The left shift operator shifts the bits to the left by a specified number of positions. For instance, shifting the binary number 000000101, which is 5 in decimal, 2 positions to the left, results in 000101000, which is 20 in decimal. The formula for a left shift is n left shift equals times 2 to the power of k. The right shift operator shifts bits to the right by a specified number of positions. Shifting the binary number 000101000, which is 20 in decimal, 2 positions to the right, results in 000000101, which is 5 in decimal. The formula for a right shift is n right shift k equals n divided by 2 to the power of k, floor value. Now let's look at some common bit operations. First, checking if a bit is set involves determining if a particular bit position is set to 1. Here's the function to check if a bit is set. It takes the number and the position as input. It returns true if the bit at the given position is set, otherwise it returns false. For example, for the number 10, which is 1010 in binary, checking the bit at position 1 returns true. Next, setting a bit involves setting a specific bit position to 1. This function sets the bit at the given position to 1. For example, setting the bit at position 2 in the number 10 returns 14, which is 1110 in binary. Clearing a bit involves setting a specific bit position to 0. This function clears the bit at the given position. For example, clearing the bit at position 3 in the number 10 returns 2, which is 0010 in binary. Toggling a bit involves flipping a specific bit from 0 to 1, or 1 to 0. This function toggles the bit at the given position. For example, toggling the bit at position 1 in the number 10 returns 8, which is 1000 in binary. Now let's explore bit masks. A bit mask is a binary pattern used to extract or modify specific bits from a value through bitwise operations. In this example, the binary value 10101100 is ANDed with the bit mask 00001111, resulting in 00001100. The mask 00001111 extracts the 4 least significant bits. Here's the function to create a mask with bits A through J set to 1. This function creates a mask with positions I to J set. For example, creating a mask for bits 2 to 5 returns 60, which is 00111100 in binary. Extracting bits involves extracting bits from a given position, I to J. The function to extract bits uses the createMask function. For example, extracting bits 2 to 5 from the number 150 returns 5. Updating bits involves updating bits from position I to J with a given value. First, clear the bits from I to J, then set the bits with the given value. For example, updating bits 2 to 5 with the value 9 in the number 150 results in 166. Let's discuss powers of 2 and their bit pattern properties. Powers of 2 have exactly one bit set to 1. Examples include 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Powers of 2 minus 1 have all bits to the right set to 1. For example, 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 equals 8 minus 1 equals 7. The binary representation of 7 is 00000111. The function to check if a number is a power of 2 is shown here. It returns true if n is a power of 2. If n is less than or equal to 0, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns true if n and n minus 1 equals 0. For example, 16 and 15 equals 0, so 16 is a power of 2. However, 18 and 17 does not equal 0, so 18 is not a power of 2. Now let's explore counting bits, also known as population count. The number of ones in a binary representation is called the population count or Hamming weight. Here are the steps involved in Brian Kernighan's algorithm. Initialize count to 0 while n is greater than 0. Perform n equals n minus 1 to clear the least significant bit, then increment count. Here's the function, countSetBits, that implements this algorithm. For example, the number 22 in binary is 10110. The function countSetBits returns 3. It is also important to note that different numbers can have the same number of set bits. Consider these examples 7, 11, 13, 14, and 19. All have 3 set bits but different binary representations. This function counts the numbers less than or equal to n with exactly k set bits. Now let's explore practical applications of bit manipulation. Bitwise techniques are widely used in computing. Some of them are low-level system programming, register-level operations in microcontrollers, memory-efficient data storage, cryptographic operations in flag or permission management. An example is a GPIO port configuration example is shown. The bits in this register represent the configuration of different pins. Using bits to store Boolean flags saves memory. A file permission example using bit flags is shown. The read permission is 1, write permission is 2, and execute permission is 4. Let's explore some useful bit manipulation tricks. Here are some common bit manipulation shortcuts. To multiply by 2 to the power of n, use the code x, left shift, n. This shifts the bits left by n positions. To divide by 2 to the power of n, use the code x, right shift, n. This shifts the bits right by n positions. To get the lowest bit, use the code x and negative x. This isolates the rightmost set bit. To remove the lowest bit, use the code x and x minus 1. This clears the rightmost set bit. As an example, to find the rightmost set bit of the number 12, which is 1100 in binary, perform x and negative x. The result is 4, which is 0100 in binary. To become proficient in bit manipulation, Practice with binary visualization, implement common algorithms, solve bit manipulation puzzles, and study system programming. Understanding bits is fundamental to computer science. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.